Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today we will be exploring Claude AI, a state-of-art language model developed by Anthropic. Named after Claude Shannon, the father of information theory, Claude AI is designed to assist users with a wide range of tasks by generating human-like text responses, leveraging advanced natural languages processing techniques. Claude can understand and produce text based on context, making it an invaluable tool for applications such as content creation, customer support, and programming help. What set Claude apart is its emphasis on safety and alignment. Developed with the focus on ethical AI usage, Claude incorporates principles to ensure that it provides accurate, relevant, and context appropriate information while minimizing harmful outputs. So, today we have an introductory and basic tutorial on setting up and using Claude. Let's go to next step and type here Claude.ai. Press enter and this will take us to this screen. Hello, I am Claude. I am next generation AI assistant built for work and trained to be safe, accurate, and secure. I would love for us to get know each other a bit better. So let's set up Claude account. Let me enter my name. Nice to meet you. I am Zubair Riaz, but you can call me Zubair. Yeah, that's fine. A few things to know before we start working together. Anthropic usage policy prohibit using Claude for harm, like producing violent, abusive, and deceptive content. Anthropic regularly reviews conversation flagged by our automated abuse detection and may use them to improve our safety systems. Now, let's go ahead and click on Acknowledge and Continue. I am not going to read all of these and I'm going to click sounds good. Let's begin. And now we are at Claude and Claude is saying us good afternoon and how can Claude help you today? And this is the version of Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Here we also have some examples that generate Excel formulas, provide stakeholders perspective, extract insight from Claude. Please note that to set up a Claude will ask you to sign in with your email at the beginning. So I am signing in with my email with a free plan of Claude for now, right? Now as we are in Claude in a free version and I have registered my email and we did a login into Claude and this Claude AI is mostly similar to Chat GPT. So let's go ahead and see few of examples of using Claude. Let's go ahead and try to attach anything and see what Claude will do with the attachment. We will ask Claude to summarize our attachment. Okay, I have downloaded an attachment with a dog picture on my desktop. Let's attach this picture here and let's say to Claude that please summarize this picture. Okay, let's see. I have sent to Claude and Claude is now summarizing this picture perfectly. This is a professional studio portrait of golden retrieving dog against this, and I'm not going to read all of this. I can give a thumbs up to this as well or thumbs down to this. I can select a retry and I can also copy this text if I need this for my blog with this picture if I am creating any blog. So let's see what Claude will do when we click on retry. Yeah, Claude retries this for us and Claude also give us here the option that we can see the first one as well as the second one here. Now let's say I want to ask something else from Claude and I want Claude to generate an article for me. I asked Claude to generate an article for me with a 500 word about the benefits of mindfulness in a workplace. Let's send it. And Claude is generating an article for me. That's very perfect. Claude has made my article and Claude says my efforts of creating article. That's perfect. I am in free version of Claude and I could download the file. I could copy the content and let's say If I go to publish, what Claude will say, publishing this article will make it accessible to anyone on the internet. Your chat will remain private. Be sure the artifact you are publishing does not include any personal or confidential information. Let's go ahead, publish and copy link. I have published the article and let's see. Here you go. We have this article published via Claude. That's perfect. I am impressed with Claude. If I go to Claude here, I could view all, I could get the chat history as well. That's great. If it's come to programming, Claude could also help with this. Let's go ahead and delete this, and here we will see the example of programming language from the Claude. Let's see, hopefully Claude will provide us an information with an example code for my query that I want Claude explain how to implement a binary search algorithm in Python. Let's go ahead and send it to Claude. Okay, okay, that's great. Uh, Claude first explained binary search step by step with Python implementation, and after that, binary search is an efficient algorithm for finding an element in sorted array. Here is how it works. So here are few more points to explain us. Here is the clean implementation of our query, and let's see what's down. You can use it like this. Claude perfectly explain everything, give me a code as well. And this is the last example I want you to explain. And I will try to create more advanced tutorial on Claude. Okay, that's it about using basics of Claude, setting up Claude and registering on the Claude with your email with a free plan to Claude 3.5. Let's to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And if you want to upgrade the Claude, you can go directly to upgrade here and we will get some plans details here, right? And we can upgrade Claude as well. And let's say for now I want this Claude to use easily all the time and I want to make it favorite. Let's go ahead and make it favorite to the browser so that Claude will be pinned into my favorite in the browser and I could use this Claude whenever I need. So that's it about today's simple, basic and to the point tutorial about Claude 3.5 Sonnet, that is free plan. We'll meet soon. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.